Today we are looking at the Hotpoint RPD9467J washing machine in white. Get powerful stain removal and large capacity cleaning with the Hotpoint Ultima S-Line RPD9467J washing machine. Anti-stain power with a direct injection design. The RPD9467J ensures maximum stain removal, with no need for pre-treatments. Capable for removing over 100 stains at just 20 degrees, the machine delivers effective cleaning while helping to preserve fabrics and colors. Super Silent The Ultima is engineered with specially designed insulating panels and an advanced brushless motor, to help dramatically reduce noise levels. As a result, you can start a wash whenever it suits you, without being disturbed. With a 24-hour delay timer, you can schedule your laundry into a busy day. Set it before work and have your washing clean and ready for when you get home, or time it to run overnight so you can wake up to a completed load. Specialized wash programs find the perfect cycle to suit your laundry, with 16 dedicated wash programs to choose from. Choose the bed and bath program and clean bed linen and towels in one single cycle. Not only does it save you time and energy on larger items, it also optimizes fabric softener performance for beautifully soft, clean sheets. The anti-allergy program, approved by Allergy UK, is ideal for those with sensitive skin, helping to remove allergens and be gentle on fabrics. Steam and Auto Clean. Get powerful steam cleaning with the RPD9467J and enjoy fresher, cleaner clothes, without the dry cleaning bill. Thanks to its intelligent auto clean function, the Ultima takes care of itself, by automatically cleaning the internal parts of the machine at the touch of a button. No matter what your laundry demands, get powerful, energy-efficient cleaning with the Hotpoint Ultima RPD9467J washing machine.